Hello and welcome to the 8th tutorial on how to make a game in GameMaker. In the last tutorial we finished up our shooting and reloading methods, so our player can successfully shoot bullets and reload. So in this tutorial we're going to go over how to draw stuff in the HUD, and there's several ways to do this. One way I like to do this with bigger games is to create another class just for drawing called HUD, which basically is your display class, and you just basically spit everything you want to draw into your HUD class so it's out of the way, and then just call a method like HUD.draw or something like that. But since we're not going to be drawing too much on our screen, we won't need another class. I don't want to go into that. I might make another tutorial later, or if you guys want it, but right now we don't really have to do that. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to override the draw method in the man class. So I'm going to go to public override draw, and I'm going to go to sprite batch. Actually, first we have to make a new sprite font, so I'm just going to right click the content pipeline and press add new item, select sprite font, and I'm just going to name this HUD font. Okay, so that's going to be our sprite font. We can just close this. You can edit the information in it. It's basically just like XML. You can just edit the size, whatever you want. I'm just going to leave it how it is right now. And then the draw method, I'm going to go to sprite batch.draw string. So this will draw a string just like it says. And oh, actually I forgot one thing. In our game1 class, I'm going to make a new variable called public static sprite font, and in our load content method, go font equals content dot load, and this is a sprite font, and we want to load HUD font. So when we're back in our man class, we can just go game1 dot font. Okay, and the text we want to use can be like ammo plus how much ammo you have. So that'd be our ammo variable. And its position, I'll just set in the top left corner of the screen, so vector2.0, which is basically just a vector2 with the coordinates set 0 to 0. And the color will just be white. Yeah. So that should be good. So we should draw some text on our screen that says ammo, and then our ammo variable, which says like exactly how much ammo we have. So as you can see, it says 32. And when I hold down my mouse button and shoot, our ammo variable decreases to how much ammo we have. So pretty cool. And then when we're reloading, we can add a reloading text below here or somewhere there. So actually, how are we doing on time? Very good. Okay, so we can also draw a reloading text when you're reloading. So if you're reloading, see, normally I would do all of this in the HUD class, but so you don't take up all this useless space if you have a lot of things to draw. But since it's just you're not drawing too much, you can do it like this. Draw string, and same thing. Actually, I'm just going to copy and paste because I'm lazy. So instead of ammo and then our ammo variable, we're just going to say reloading. And we don't want it in the same exact position, so I'm just going to say new vector2, and the x coordinate will be the same. but the Y won't. The Y will be, let's see, game1 dot font dot line spacing. So this is basically how much space does one of the characters space vertically. So the words won't overlap with each other. So this will appear, actually I'll just make it red just for fun. So when you're reloading, it pops up red text that says you're reloading. So I'm just going to shoot some bullets, press R, reloading. There we go. Oh, actually we're allowed to shoot while we're reloading. Okay, that's not good. So, right here on your mouse button if statement, I'm just going to put and if you're not reloading. So you have to keep pressing the mouse button and you cannot be reloading. So okay, I'm pressing the mouse button down, press reloading, can't shoot anymore. Okay, now I can shoot. I reloaded. So that is the basics for the HUD. I'm not sure what else to go over right now. I guess, yeah. So actually I'm going to end the tutorial right here. The next tutorial, I'm not sure what I am going to do. There's several things we can go over. We can go over enemies, we can go over the camera following you. So actually probably in the next tutorial I'm going to go over at least putting a background, yeah, in the background, like ground texture or something like that, and like walls, so you have collisions and stuff like that. So thank you for watching, and I appreciate it if you leave a rating, and see you in the next tutorial.